pandemic, when we saw this embrace of virtual care and sort of normalization of that, it still took probably 2 years coming out of the pandemic for folks to change their mindset from RPM being an innovative technology that you try with a small group of patients, or you do a pilot, or you have a grant, to really thinking about it of like, this is the way we deliver medicine and healthcare. So, to me, that was the pivotal shift I've been looking for, is actually for people to stop talking about it as this highly innovative care delivery model and just say, this is how we manage hypertension or diabetes or heart failure as a standard of care. And so when I talk to a health system who says, we're concerned that, there's no money in RPM, or you can't break even running an RPM program. And so I'm worried about implementing something that's not sustainable. I really have to have a conversation with them about the why, right? And I think you always have to start with that why. At Rimidi, we're always trying to sort of refocus on that North Star of clinical outcomes and population health impact, and then leveraging payment models as a means to the end. And we need them to be at the intersection of the two. What's the quality improvement? And what's the financial model to support it? I think one message, key takeaway from this conversation about RPM is how it can really impact the reach of their providers to their patients and really extend that reach. This concept of practicing at top of license that we've, discussed a lot in the industry. There's a really important role for technology in that, where technology can help the nurses, the MAs, the physicians, the pharmacists, all really have their greatest impact on patients, focus their energy where they uniquely can be impactful, and allow the technology to facilitate that. So technology sort of as a clinical extender, as a workforce multiplier, I think is something that, I'd love for everybody to think about.